India for them. Away the last time.
Same away. On. Arbat bhai.
India and Katia. Karado thank you.
ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಡು ಒಂದು ರೌಂಡ್ ಇಂಚಾನೆ ಮೋಲ್ ರಿವ್ಯೂ ಲೆಕ್ಕ
ಆಕಾಶ್ ನಾಯ್ಕ್ಗೆ ಜಯವಾಗಲಿ. ಆಲ್ ದ ಬೆಸ್ಟ್, ಸೇಫ್ ಟು ಜರ್ನೀಸ್.
ಎಸ್. ಹಲೋ ಗೈಸ್, ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕ್ ಎಂತಾಗಿತ್ತಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೆಟ್ ಮೈ ಕ್ಯಾಮರಾ ಆನ್ ದಿ ವೈಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಗಲ್, ನಾಟ್ ಆನ್ ಸೂಪರ್ ವ್ಯೂ. ಸೊ ಯಾ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಯಾ ಆಡಿಯೋ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ವಾಸ್ broken audio clips. It was making wind noise. So this is Gorilla 450, Gorilla whatever, I don't know how to spell it properly, but based on the spelling, Gorilla, maybe Gorilla 450. Yeah, this is the dash, it's on the right side. And yeah, this single cylinder motorcycle powered by 450cc, 40 Newton meter of torque and 40 horsepower in total. It's same 1:1 horsepower to torque ratio. So yeah, let's crank up the engine. This is how it sounds. Yeah, little bit of what do you say, lag in throttle. See, little bit, just like a 0.1 second lag, but then it's fine, I guess. Let's go. Little bit of hesitation. But the bike pulls like, oh my god, a maniac, I can say. Bike is actually nimble. It has a great pull. For city wise, it's a good motorcycle. And it has a sharp brake, you see over here. Like, it just grasped the, see, it stops on point. Let's yeah, nice. It feels quite good. Just speed ಹೋಗಲ್ಲ ನಾನು. Yeah, more about the motorcycle. It has two shock absorber, which is not upside down like the Himalayan 450, but yeah, it's standard conventional shock absorbers. And on the rear, it has a monoshock just like the Himalayan 450. This bike has like a good feature loaded instrument cluster and whatnot, and it has a broad tire, so it's quite, you know, grippy. Can change speed, and it's 6-speed gearbox. It gives you good ability to cruise along on the highway. But yeah, you feel like changing more gears here and there. Quick overtakes like this are like quite hassle free. ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಬರಲ್ಲ for quick overtakes. Cruising on good speeds. Downshifts also are good. Let's take a bit of a long route. The off-road part I had done in the last week actually. ಅದನ್ನು ಅದೇ ಪಾರ್ಟನ್ನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಯಾಕಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಐ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಪಿಲಿಯನ್ ಓವರ್ ದರ್. ಸೊ ಪಿಲಿಯನ್ ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಶೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದು ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಿಸ್ ಒಪಿನಿಯನ್ ಇಟ್ ವಾಸ್ ಕ್ವೈಟ್ ಗುಡ್. ಬಟ್ ಅಟ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಟೈಮ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಏನಾಗ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ ಸೀಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ನ್ಯಾರೋ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ. ಸೊ ಲಿಟಲ್ ಬಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೆಸ್ ಕಾಂಟ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ಏರಿಯಾ ಟು ಸಿಟ್ ಆನ್. ಯು ಮೈಟ್ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಇನ್ನೂ ಕುಷನಿಂಗ್ ಬೇಕಿದ್ದಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಎಣಿಸ್ತಿತ್ತಂತೆ ಪಿಲಿಯನ್ಗೆ. ಸೊ ಅದೇ ಇಲ್ಲೇ ಎಲ್ಲಾದರೂ ಸೈಡಿಗೆ ಹಾಕೋಣ. ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಲ್ಲಿಗೂ ಸಹ ಬರೋಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ ವೆಹಿಕಲಿಗೆ. ಸೊ ನೋಡಿ ವೆಹಿಕಲ್ ಹೀಗೆ ತೊಳುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸಾಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್. ಸೊ ಈ ವೆಹಿಕಲಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 160 ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ರೇರ್ ಟೈರ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 120 ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಫ್ರಂಟ್ ಟೈರ್, ಬೋತ್ ಮೇಟೆಡ್ ವಿತ್ 17-inch alloy wheels, single horn and an LED headlight with the LED indicator comes as standard. ಸೊ 3 ಟೈಪ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಬೇಸ್ ವೇರಿಯಂಟ್, ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಹೆಸರು ಏನಂತ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ನೆನಪಿಲ್ಲ. ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ 2 color options, but this display over here, it is different over there. It is analog display, and the rest 2 models, mid and top variant, have a digital display like this. Basically that. And the base variant, which comes in 2 colors, does not have the alloy wheels. It comes with the, what do you say, the spoke wheels. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ನೋಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ನೀವು, ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಈ ಥರ. ರೈಡರ್ ಮೋಡ್, ABS ಆನ್, ಮತ್ತು ಈಕೋ, ಲೈಕ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ ಸೆಟ್ಟಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದರ್. ಇದು ಹಜಾರ್ಡ್ ಲೈಟ್ ಸ್ವಿಚ್ಚಲ್ಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಆನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆಫ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಜಾಯ್ಸ್ಟಿಕ್ ಟು ಬ್ರೌಸ್ ಓವರ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟರ್, horn is quite nice. Yeah, let's change the cluster to yes. So yeah, ಇಲ್ಲಿಂದ ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ ಬೈಕ್ ಥರ ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಹೇಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ನಾರ್ಮಲ್ 6th ಗೇರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ 70+ ಕ್ರೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 70 ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಹೋಲ್ಡ್ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಲೋ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಯಾರು ರಾಂಗ್ ಸೈಡಲ್ಲಿ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 70 is an ideal speed. 70, 75, 78 ಈ ಥರ ಸ್ಪೀಡೆಲ್ಲ ಐಡಿಯಲ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್. ಡೌನ್ ಶಿಫ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲಿ. I don't think so this bike will have any kind of issues on chain. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಪಿಕ್ ಮಾಡುವ. Yeah, you can overtake the vehicles. ಪ್ರೈಸಿಂಗ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಟ್ಟು ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ಕ್ರೀನಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ. ಕಂಪೇರ್ಡ್ ಟು ದ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟರ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ 400, Husqvarna, I think pricing should have been little more competitive. 3.5 lakh ಇರ್ಬೋದು ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. ನಾನು ಹಾಕ್ತೀನಿ ನೋಡಿ ಆನ್ ರೋಡ್. Pricing should have been little better. Mirror is fine, there is no vibration in the mirror. You can see over here. Stable. Brake 1 point. ಸಿಟಿಗೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದಾ ಅಂತ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಎಸ್, ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. ಏನು ಹೀಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ ಶಾರ್ಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್. ಯಾ ಲಿಕ್ವಿಡ್ ಕೂಲ್ಡ್ ಇಂಜಿನ್, ಸೊ ಹೀಟಿಂಗ್ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಬರಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ರೋಡ್ಸ್ಟರ್, ನೇಕೆಡ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ಟರ್, ನೇಕೆಡ್ ರೋಡ್ಸ್ಟರ್. ಗೇರ್ ಡೌನು ಸಹ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಕ್ಲಚ್ಲೆಸ್. ಬ್ರೋ ವೆಯ್ಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ನೀನು? 60. Okay, I have a pillion with me with the 60 kilograms weight on the back, and don't feel bad bro, I need to save our viewers. So what the thing is, bike even now it feels stable, better than what I expected. It feels good with the pillion on the back. For your notice, this is a professional pillion of mine. He comes to all of my rides while I go with two people on the bike. This guy is the person who rides with me the most, so he knows to make himself comfortable on the bike very much well. So yeah, I just wanted to see how much it is comfortable in bad patch of roads. I don't know if it is because of it's a new bike or something like that, but it's doing very well. These potholes on my Super Meteors will be thrown away. Bro, nice. I can take speed also in this thing. Can carry out a good momentum on this bike, even on this nasty roads. See, I'm carrying out. Oh. Doesn't feel at all. I don't know how he is feeling. Bro, bumps feel aita?
ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಷ್ಟಿಲ್ಲ.
Nothing, right?
No.
It's manageable, right? Yeah, that's the verdict, bro. Everybody, even the pillion says is comfortable, rather more comfortable than any other bike. It's good. See, while other traffic is lagging over there, I can glide through the traffic in this kind of road situation. It's nice to have a bike like this as a daily rider. High mileage is a concern on this bike because it gives almost around 30 itself. So if you want a performance oriented bike and good bike to perform on small kind of off-roads like this, then this is the bike for you. But then if you want to see on the economy and other aspects, small nitbits, then I guess this is not the bike for you. So another thing about the bike is that it has a small turning radius, which I had to nitpick because other day while I was taking this out of the parking lot in the showroom just to see how the bike feels, I found it quite difficult to turn around it in the tight spaces, you know. It's quite difficult in that aspect, but other part it's doing good. Little bit I find kind of a wrist pain because I am leaned forward, but then the bike is designed to be little bit aggressive and feel that it has power. Since this bike has a short wheelbase, it feels like it performs even better than the Himalayan 450, which is true because the wheelbase is short. The adrenaline rush and the acceleration grows a bit more than that of the Himalayan 450. So yeah, okay guys, that's it for today. Going to end this vlog. Hope you like the video, and you guys know the drill. Make sure you like, share, comment, subscribe, and do more, whatever necessary. I'll be giving you good contents like this more and more in the coming days. Until then, stay tuned. Bye bye. Peace.